Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create a mobile-friendly website using Canva. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Log into your Canva account. Once you are logged in, go to the home page. At the top search bar, type website and press enter. Canva will show you different website templates. Choose a template that already looks clean and simple. This is important because simple designs work better on mobile phones. Now start editing the text. Click on any text box and replace it with your own words. Keep sentences short and clear so they are easy to read on a phone screen. Next, edit images. Click on an image to replace it or upload your own. Use high-quality images but do not add too many. Make sure images look good in vertical layout since phones are taller than they are wide. Scroll through your page and check spacing. Canva stacks sections vertically for mobile, so make sure each section looks good one after another. Now add buttons if needed. Buttons are great for mobile users. Make sure buttons are large enough to tap with a finger. Use clear text like "Contact us" or "Learn more." When you are done, click the preview button at the top. Switch to mobile preview to see how your website looks on a phone. If something looks too small or crowded, go back and adjust it. Finally, click the publish button. Choose a Canva domain or connect your own domain if you have one. Your mobile-friendly website is now live and ready to share. Thanks for watching.